6 a.m. Sunday morning and we're going after it. Alright. Good morning. I'm pretty excited for both of us today. So we're going to take a 2-hour drive south of Sydney today on our way to a property. It's about 140 acres. It's called Arabella. Wow. Think pristine surroundings, dense bushland, wildlife. If you like the sound of all of that, well, you're just going to love today then. And there's also a lyrebird named David who mimics everything from a chainsaw to the rhythm and blues harmonica. I'm excited. Also, there's alpacas. Now, I've actually never patted an alpaca before, so hopefully today I will get to pat my first alpaca and meet this mimicking lyrebird. Mischievous and inquisitive bird named David. But the other thing I'm very excited about is this outdoor bathroom that's covered in mirrors. This is an award-winning Airbnb. Sounds insane. Yeah, it's a beautiful bathtub out in nature. Yeah, like, wow. Anyway, I'm pumped. I'm ready to go. So let's make a move. Spot we've just found here, this little gem of an area. It's called Mountain Ridge Wine and it's located between Berry and 7 Mile Beach. Picturesque backdrop with a Pic Paul Blanc. Perfect. So Mountain Ridge is a family-run farm, vineyard, market garden, and home. How lucky are these guys? Quick stop in Berry to pick up some supplies. Shouldn't vlog and drive at the same time. The third or fourth gate? I'm not sure. This is always the fun part, the final, last leg of the journey. Okay, so we've arrived, but we haven't arrived. It's wheelbarrow all the way down this road, and I'm excited. Talk about anticipation and build up before you get here. Like, wow. You've seen my attempt at making fires. Now I will attempt to chop wood. What I love about Arabella is how it is positioned to make the most of the site's beautiful natural features. The place feels incredibly intimate, like I'm nestled away on the top of a hill. And as you know, we've been to some serious forest-dense locations, but we've never seen anything as green as this. An infinity of green, opening up to a vast valley of dense forests, which seems to be the trending topic for me these days. I guess I really love nature. Feeling immensely satisfied after that dinner. I'm listening out for David. I can't find him anywhere. I still can't find an alpaca anywhere. Quite surreal being out here right now, actually. How intimate everything sounds and feels. It's beautiful. Also, I was able to show you my wood chopping skills, or lack of skills, should I say. I think it's time to prep the bath. The bath prep is complete. So this charming, mischievous, inquisitive lyrebird named David is nowhere to be found still. I can't find him. I might have to call out for him. It echoes around here. David! It echoes. David! David, where are you? David! Is that you? Damn it! I'm starting to think David is just a myth, some legend, some story, maybe some Chinese whispers even. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna keep looking for him. Don't ever underestimate the importance of lighting. It creates massive impact. But David, are you there? Yes, I'm David, I'm here. To sum up this day, our first stop was at Mountain Ridge Vineyard. I will definitely be going back there. And everyone at the restaurant at Mountain Ridge was so friendly. Feel the love. Feel the love. Now, can I just say, to get to this property, I had to open 4 different gates. And usually it's just one. It was such a build-up, quite the anticipation. The build-up was worth it. Wow. It's very intimate, very aesthetic, very pretty. I feel like I'm alone up here. Is there something happened that I didn't know about? Are we an I Am Legend? Am I Will Smith? Have I got a dog? Am I Tom Hanks? Have I got a Wilson? What is it? Tell me, what's happened? I don't watch the news, so is there a comet? Like, from that movie, Don't Look Up? Is it on its way and you've all evacuated? But hey, that's just a comment on the current world situation anyway. That's my one moment of intelligence for the day. Ready for this? It was orange and fennel pork with maple radicchio and a groovy potato mash. That potato mash was like, I've got your back, bitch. But I'm tired. I've had a couple of beers, one red. It's time for me to go to sleep. But this is me signing out. I've had the best time. What a surprise. It's everything I never knew I wanted in Kangaroo Valley, which says something. Anyway, good night. Good morning, good morning. I have woken up to a rainbow coalition of one colour. Green. Like I said earlier, or last night, it's an infinity of green around here. Everywhere. There's the hut. It's just green. Everywhere. Green. Everywhere. Hut. Dense forest. It's green. It's amazing again. One of the common trend in my videos is the weather in the morning. It's always misty. It's misty clouds just keep following me everywhere. It'd be rude of me to not ask, what's your name, guys? They keep following me everywhere. Like, considering David won't even show his face and introduce himself to me, might as well ask what your names are. I'll let them tell me later. Wherever I go, the beauty seems to spill into my day. The mist is starting to blanket us. So now comes the time to sum up my stay at Arabella. The whole experience in itself is very organic. Arabella is nestled on top of a mountain in an amphitheatre of nature. It flows together seamlessly with its surroundings. Turning my head in any direction, you can take in all the gorgeous aspects of this home. With surprises like this, reminiscent of a spaceship from another dimension. Arabella not only has an incredible visual impact. Being up here is not only incredibly relaxing, but it's also spiritually nourishing. So unfortunately now it's time for me to leave this verdant paradise. Honestly, this place is truly magical, but it's now time for me to go. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.